Welcome back to Hack Trip Easy. Today, we're taking you on a journey with two Hollywood superstars, Brad Pitt and Chris Hemsworth, and their very different holiday styles. Brad Pitt loves slow mornings, cafe culture, and soaking up history and art across Europe. Think Italy, France, Spain, and Greece. Long meals, charming streets, and cities full of soul. Chris Hemsworth? He's all about movement, nature, and recharging. Surfing, hiking, fresh air, and tropical escapes in Australia, Bali, the Philippines, or Costa Rica. So, who matches your travel vibe? Are you a Brad cultured, city-loving, slow traveler, or a Chris active, nature-seeking, adventure traveler? Stick around as we break down their styles, share travel hacks, and help you pick your perfect holiday. Let's hack your next trip easy. Brad versus Chris. Two distinct holiday travel styles. Brad Pitt is depicted in a bustling European cafe, symbolizing urban and cultural exploration. Chris Hemsworth is depicted enjoying ocean waves, symbolizing nature-focused adventures. This visual juxtaposition immediately establishes a contrast in travel preferences. Brad enjoys city environments with rich cultural experiences. Conversely, the ocean scene highlights Chris's preference for natural landscapes and outdoor adventures. Brad Pitt's travel style includes relaxed mornings in European cafes. The cafe life is characterized by the slow enjoyment of the morning. Espresso preparation and pastries are integral to this experience. The atmosphere emphasizes a leisurely and unhurried pace. Iconic European landmarks highlight a preference for architecture and artistic heritage. More concise. Historical buildings are highlighted, emphasizing their cultural significance. Museums are featured to underscore the importance of art and cultural preservation. Artistic details within the architecture are emphasized to enhance cultural immersion. The overall presentation aims to create a sense of deep appreciation for European art and architecture. Choosing trains over planes offers a unique travel experience. Train journeys provide a relaxed and unhurried pace. Travelers can deeply observe and appreciate the passing landscape. This aligns with the philosophy of truly feeling a place. Train travel enhances the connection with the environment. It offers a more immersive and sensory-rich travel experience. Chris Hemsworth's travel style is characterized by a strong emphasis on physical activity. Surfing is a key component of his active travel pursuits. His travels often involve locations known for their surfing opportunities. Riding waves embodies the energetic and adventurous spirit of his travel style. Water sports, in general, represent a sense of freedom and connection with nature. This active approach to travel highlights a focus on health, adventure, and exploration. Hemsworth integrates hiking into his lifestyle as a means of physical activity. Hiking provides opportunities to connect with natural landscapes. The activity promotes deep breathing and improved respiratory function. Hiking serves as a mental reset, reducing stress and promoting clarity. This move, breathe, and reset approach rejuvenates both body and mind. Maintaining a focus on clean eating is essential for travel recovery. Fresh, healthy meals provide the necessary nutrients for recharging the body. A natural setting enhances the positive impact of nutritious food. Proper nutrition supports overall well-being during and after travel. Prioritizing healthy food choices aids in faster and more effective recovery. A visual contrast between vibrant city life and serene nature. One side represents culture and structured movement, typical of city environments. The other side showcases open spaces, highlighting the freedom of natural settings. This comparison prompts reflection on individual preferences in travel styles. Europe or nature? Brad Pitt or Chris Hemsworth? The best travel hack is knowing your style. Thanks for watching Hack Trip Easy. Like, subscribe, and travel smarter.